Good day to you. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. This is part 74 of Sales Training Program. Keep different types of presentations. Even better, develop 4 separate sales presentations: the analyzer, the relationship, the director, and the socializer type of buyers. Be prepared to slip in and out of different sales roles as you find yourself dealing with different types of customers. Trust is everything. The true beginning of the sales process is after the salesperson has established a certain degree of trust and rapport with the prospect. Trust is the major factor in the sales process today. Until a person likes and trusts you, he is not open to what you are selling or how good it can be for him or his company. Trust is everything. Bigger products takes longer time. The bigger the product or service, the longer it usually takes to develop this feeling of trust and rapport. With large products or services, the entire first meeting can be taken up with feelings each other out and sensing whether or not there is a good fit between a salesperson and the company. Build the trust first. The very best way to build trust is in a sales relationship is to ask the prospect questions and listen carefully to the answers. The more you show that you are genuinely interested in the prospects and his situation, the more the prospect will be open to giving you information and accepting your recommendations. Start presenting after building the trust, and never even start talking about your product or service until you have activated the friendship factor. You have to develop a bond of friendship before you can bring into the development of a customer relationship. This is the end of part 74 of sales training program. I also conduct one-on-one training. If you are interested, I can psychologically analyze you and bring out the best in you so that you are the top performer in your domain. You can contact me using the telephone numbers available on the screen. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can view more videos of this nature. Thank you and good day to you.